In this video, I'll be testing the quality of the Beats Fit Pro against the AirPods Pro. I'll be testing them in different situations and I'll have one in each ear recording on two different iPhones. So let's get started. For this test, I'm right now outside with my dog. I'm walking on ice. You may hear it. There is not much wind. There is some truck noise, but again, this is a bit farther. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. This is a test for the Beats Fit Pro against the AirPods Pro. This is only a test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. In this test, I'm inside. There is no ambient noise at all, so the recording must be clean on both sides. Still, there could be some differences. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. I'm testing the Beats Fit Pro and the AirPods Pro. So 1, 2, 3 test. This is a test inside a room. In this test, I have put some simulated cry noise on my surround sound speakers. Right now, I'm testing the Beats Fit Pro and the AirPods Pro, one on each ear, recording on two different iPhones. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. I don't know if you can hear the ambient noise. In this test, I have put on my surround sound system some very loud air conditioner sound. It's louder than a normal air conditioner is in real life. So this is just to test both the AirPods Pro and the Beats Fit Pro to see which one managed the ambient. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. I'm testing the AirPods Pro in one ear, and in the other ear I have the Beats Fit